The classic ripple Afghan pattern is a timeless pattern to crochet. The ripple Afghan, also called the chevron Afghan pattern, is a unique Afghan filled with waves of color. In the world of crochet, certain patterns stand the test of time, weaving themselves into the fabric of tradition and nostalgia. One such timeless design is the crochet ripple Afghan. With its waves of color and texture, this creative pattern has graced homes for generations, offering warmth, comfort, and a touch of handmade charm. Join us as we explore the history, versatility, and enduring appeal of the crochet ripple Afghan. The ripple Afghan pattern first gained popularity in the mid-20th century, making its mark during the heyday of handmade crafts. Rooted in the rich tapestry of crochet history, this design has been passed down from one generation to the next, creating a connection between crafters across time. Its popularity surged in the 1960s and 1970s, becoming a symbol of the DIY movement and a testament to the creativity and resourcefulness of crafters. One of the key reasons for the ripple Afghan's enduring popularity is its versatility. This classic pattern can be adapted to suit a variety of styles, color schemes, and yarn weights. Whether you prefer bold and vibrant hues or subtle, neutral tones, the ripple pattern accommodates a range of color choices, making it a perfect canvas for personal expression. Additionally, crafters can experiment with different stitches, adding complexity and texture to their creations. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the ripple Afghan holds a special place in the hearts of many as a symbol of love and connection. Handcrafted with care, these blankets become cherished heirlooms, passed down from one generation to the next. The act of creating a ripple Afghan is not just a craft project, it's a labor of love that often involves countless hours spent stitching and an abundance of warm memories woven into every row. While the ripple Afghan may have originated in the mid-20th century, its appeal remains as strong as ever in the 21st century. In recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in vintage and handmade items. And the ripple Afghan has found its way back into the homes and hearts of a new generation of crafters. Online communities and social media platforms have become hubs for sharing ripple Afghan creations, inspiring a fresh wave of creativity. In the ever-evolving world of crochet, the ripple Afghan remains a constant, offering both a nod to the past and a canvas for future creativity. Its timeless charm, adaptability, and ability to evoke cherished memories make it a beloved pattern that continues to be embraced by crafters of all ages. As we pick up our crochet hooks and join the rhythmic dance of the ripple pattern, we celebrate not just a craft but a tradition that spans generations, a tradition that will undoubtedly ripple through time for years to come. Download one of the crochet ripple Afghan patterns in the links below. Thanks for watching.